Hi, welcome to Doctor's Homestead. We're going to test out the Tingmengte 8-inch chainsaw. We got this tree that's kind of overhanging, starting to sag a little bit, so I'm going to see how much I can chop in on this. You hear the cicadas in the background. Cicadas are getting a little bit crazy, so we're just going to kind of come in. Probably going to need a ladder, but I didn't bring one, so we'll just see what we can reach here. Try for maybe a little thicker cut. You can kind of see thickness wise. I'm using it left-handed even though it's a right-handed saw. It does cut through pretty thick. It could go thicker, I'm sure. This is just what we had handy that we needed to deal with, and we'll chop this down, put it in the wood pile here. It's a pretty useful little chainsaw, especially for chopping branches and that kind of thing. So this is the Tingmengte 6-inch chainsaw. I may have said 8 before. It's 6 inches on the side. Maybe we'll check out the 8. We've got a 4, we got a 6. Maybe we'll get the 8. But it's a good little chainsaw. It's got 2 batteries. You can do a lot of cutting. And since this comes back, you can see you can actually cut through something pretty thick, and it seems to hold up. So thank you for watching. We appreciate you.